I just got this 2009 Pontiac G8. This thing is super clean, man. Just a few owners, clean Carfax report, 107,000 miles, and very, very well maintained car. As we move closer, you guys are gonna see how clean this car actually is. Upgraded BMRs, just beautiful paint, tinted windows. Just this thing is super, super slick and nice. And obviously you guys know about the G8 GTs with the engines and transmissions and stuff like that. Man, I love this thing. MGM Classic Cars, obviously we're gonna get more involved in these type of vehicles because I love them. I love these cars. They're quick, they're clean, they're priced well. So yeah, let's check out the interior, man. Look at this gorgeous black interior. Look how much room you guys got back here. Super cool. Everything functions like it should. Let's get the thing going and go for a ride. All right, man, this air conditioning is super cold, man. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. And let's get the seat belt intact here, guys, and we're gonna go for a nice ride. V8. You guys know what motor's in this thing. I don't have to tell you. Squeaky clean floors. Guys, MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We welcome you guys to visit our showroom anytime, to look at the vehicles yourself, touch, feel, and drive and see everything for yourself. I try telling you everything about the vehicles. I know you guys are busy. All right, the right rear tire is a little low in pressure, so I will take care of that. It's pretty cool that it tells you all that stuff. This thing is super nice. Nice leather interior. So if you need financing, guys, if you got a credit score of like 640 to 775, rates start at about 7%, long-term, low payment, good payments. Go to mgmclassiccars.com for the application. Check that out. If you're over a 775, no money down options are available at lightstream.com. And for some reason, if Lightstream gives you an issue with the loan or something, just let me know first. And then maybe I can help you assist on that no money down option. If you need delivery, you can call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. I will need your zip code to get you a quote right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded for stuff like that. And be careful buying cars over the internet, guys. I mean, we sell 50, 60 cars a month that way, but just please be careful. There's a lot of scams going on. We are a legit company in business for 26 years. I have over 500 five-star reviews with my customers. I have hundreds of sales on eBay as well, buying and selling, and we are 100% seller and buyer feedback, so you may buy with confidence. we do own all our cars. We don't do consignment, guys, and prices are not inflated like consignment cars. So make sure you know that. Holy sh! I'm at 70 miles an hour just rolling the throttle. Unbelievable. The power and just how nice and smooth these cars are. That's why they're popular. That's why these Pontiac G8s GTs are popular. And I can get you financed. Yeah, I can get you financed on this baby. Everything is based off your credit profile. So again, you have my information. We're gonna head back to MGM Classic Cars. I'm gonna put this car up on the lift, take some pictures underneath. You guys can check all that out on our website. My name is Thomas. My number again is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to pull into our service department. We have full shop here with mechanics, and they blocked the door. So I guess we'll do the photos tomorrow morning. I will pull into the other building then, the showroom. I'm sure you guys can check that out, and I don't have to walk. Here's the main showroom here at 150 South Church Street. All right, guys. Thank you for spending your 7-8 minutes with me. I really appreciate you. Hope you make the right decision. Have a great day.